I only had $27 to my name. No savings, no plan, no clue where to start. Ever felt like you're starting from nothing? I've been there. Every dollar felt like a decision between survival and hope. So I made a choice, not to give up, but to get organized. I started with what I had, just $27. I stopped spending emotionally. I started spending intentionally. Rule 1. Know where every dollar goes. I tracked every cent, no exceptions. I didn't have money for courses, so I found free knowledge. YouTube, podcasts, library books, all free, all powerful. I opened a no-fee bank account. No more check cashing fees. I gave every dollar a job. Rent, groceries, savings, even if it was just $1. That first dollar saved, it felt like $1 million. I worked, I walked, I waited, but I didn't stop. I changed how I thought about money. That changed everything. Money isn't the goal. Freedom is. I cut costs without cutting dignity. Small wins built momentum. I didn't upgrade my life. I upgraded my habits. I automated savings, even if it was just $10 a month. It added up, slowly but surely. With better habits came better opportunities. I went from surviving to building. I didn't need a lot. I just needed a direction. You can start with $27, or $7, or $0. Start where you are. Use what you have. Learn as you go. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Let me show you how I turned $27 into real financial progress. Your future starts with one decision. Make it today.